Hello YouTube, let's see how to unlock iPad activation lock online. First, Google iPad activation lock bypass.net. Click here to go to the unlocking section. Then click the button to start the unlocking process. Enter your YMEI number and select device model. Start the process. When you start the process, the internal algorithms and processes will start to identify the device and share information in order to unlock the device. After a few minutes, your iCloud will be unlocked and will notify you easily. Thank you for watching.